wake up, love. It is thine own true lover. Wake up, love, and let me in, for I am tired now, and oh so weary, and more than near drenched to the skin. She's raised her down so pillow. She's raised her arm, and she's let him in, and they were locked in each other's arms until that long night was past and gone. And when that long night was past and over, and when the small clouds began to grow, he's taken her hand and they've kissed and parted. Then he settled and mounted and away to go. I must away now, I can no longer tarry. This morning's tempest I have to cross. I must be guided without a stumble.
That was a full day of that.
Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah, big day.